hot cast iron pan. We're going to toast the bread in this with some olive oil. Oil. Bread. About 30 seconds, until it's browned the way you want it. Sizzling is good. A little bit more. Oh yeah, that looks good. Transfer to a plate. Hummus. However much you want. It can be thick. Chop a tomato. This one's aroma. You can chop it any way you want. Thick or fine. Onto the hummus toast. Make it reasonably even. Salt generously. Tomatoes love salt. So do I. A little squeeze of lemon is great too. Slice in half to make it easier to eat. And enjoy. A great, healthy snack or small meal.